Guys, we're about to open Pandora's box. I just bought a 13B rotary engine that have been sitting for 3 to 4 years. Let's see how the internals look after being sitting for that many years. That's what we're gonna do today in Tony West DIY. ¿Qué es la que hay? Welcome back to Tony West DIY. My name is Wes, and if you are new to the channel, if you're wondering what is Tony West DIY, basically I have an RSX and I have a 1994 RX-7 FD. Those two are my projects. RSX is my daily drive and the RX-7 is my dream car. I've been working in both of them to try to make it look how I want it, and every time that I find an issue, I try to fix it and I put the information out so you guys can benefit and save a couple $100, $1,000 doing by yourself. Usually the things that I do here are in my garage with limited tools, and I try to go step by step and try to help you guys. If people have questions, they usually send me an email or contact me in my social media, and I try to contact as soon as possible. So if you are in the K-Series live or a rotary engine live, let's subscribe and press the bell button. I will appreciate that. Also, you can subscribe if you press in the bottom logo. But let's get started. I bought this engine. I don't know the condition. This engine is coming from RX-7 FD, and it has been sitting for 3 to 4 years. That's what the owner said. I bought it real cheap, but we'll see if I made a good decision. I got the keg, turbo manifold, primary injectors, power steering pump with the bracket for the AC and the power steering, intake manifold. I have the upper and the lower. I have it sitting down there, starter, alternator, and a couple of miscellaneous stuff. Water pump, or water housing I should say. This is a lower intake manifold, water pump, and the coils. I think I did a good deal, even if I can reuse some of the parts, housings or irons from the motor. I might be able to recover a little bit of money selling the other stuff. There's some stuff that I want to keep just as a spare parts. So I'm gonna switch to GoPro so I can show you guys how I'm gonna do it. I just got an engine stand. The base or the support area is more for piston engines, but I'm gonna try to make it work for the rotary. And yeah, enjoy. The eccentric shaft bolt was gonna be a bitch to get out, but I still wanted to try my Milwaukee high-speed impact wrench. Didn't work out, so I'm gonna try to get reinforcements and see you guys later. So before I get my stuff, my wife wants me to find a Christmas garland. You know how it is. Happy wife, happy life. back. I bought this bar. Hopefully that will work. And I bought this thing, the torch. So hopefully we'll warm it up enough. And then I'll try it again. Here it is. Yeah, this rotor is done. It's done, son. And I'm assuming if the rotor is gone, yeah, look at the housing. Holy shit. Look at that. Destroyed the shit out of it. Holy cow. Although this rear iron seems to be fine. Yeah. I don't see any scratches or... Yeah, rear iron is good, but this housing is done, son. Same with the rotor. That's part of the apex seal. But look at that. Yep. You see how shattered the seals. All right, so yeah, I think the irons are good. And eccentric shaft. All right, let's keep going. All right, here's the tricky part. We'll see if I can do it by myself, but I have to lift one way or another eccentric shaft and then kind of the same time pull this up. So we'll see if I can do this by myself. I was trying to get the E shaft out, but it wasn't turning, and what I did was I put the E shaft bolt, torque it, and it kind of released the E shaft from wherever it was stuck. So now I have a free movement here. So now I have to lift this a little bit and try to play with the iron at the same time. All right, voila. It had water inside. This one's fucked up here too. Oh yeah, definitely here. Ah, shit. Yep. Here. It's fucked up too. There you go, boys. I think I have enough footage to finish this video. Both housings are gone. Both rotors are gone. I have to clean and inspect the E-shaft and the irons to see if they're still good. I'm gonna start cleaning the rest of the stuff, intake manifold and all of that, to try to make it prettier. There's some stuff that I want to use for spare parts and to replace the one that I have in my RX-7 right now, like the iron engine mount. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys saw what I did to take the engine apart. And please subscribe, press the like, share the video, and until next time.